the importance of prayer. Prayer changes things. Prayer is powerful. There is power in prayer. In Jeremiah 33 verse 3, call unto me, and I will answer you, and show you great and mighty things which you know not. This word of encouragement for the nation of Israel to call God, to call Jehovah, to call Elohim, to call Yahweh. Prayer is the backbone of every believer of Christ. Even Jesus, he gave big importance about prayer. Before he started his ministry, in Galilean ministry, he prayed for 40 days and 40 nights. Wala pa siya nag-start sa ministeryo. Publicly, he prayed for 40 days and 40 nights. He was fasting. He fasted. Na itagaan ni Ginoong Jesus in pasayat usa ka importante ang pag-commune to our Father. Even Jesus taught his disciples the manner of prayer. Before siya mag-start sa ministry, early in the morning, he woke up in a solitary place just to pray to the Father. And after his ministry, man siyang work about, di siya matulog, ampo siya. Bisan sa last week of his life on earth, he prayed a lot. For 3 times he prayed. Yung Gethsemane, ampo ang atong Diyos. Ay gahom diya sa mga pagampo. So I would like to acknowledge everyone, our followers in social media. Salamat sa pag-follow. This is a word of encouragement to every one of us. To encourage ng kagalingon to wake up early in the morning. So di pa tayo magtrabaho, di pa tayo kubi-kubi sa kusina. First thing first, ang Diyos ang unahon, malandong diya sa Ginoo. Salamat na diya sa Diyos. Nagtagaan pa niya bag-o nga kinabuhi, kani nga kinabuhi diya sa Diyos. Ipakita na Ginoong Jesus sa importante ang mga pagampo. Isa diya mga tunan ang mga disipulo. Naka-witness kayo na makita lang Diyos na ginusara, nagampo, communing. Prayer is talking to God. Asking, praying is communing to God the Father, the source of everything. Without prayer, we can't do nothing. This is our backbone, our strength. There is power in prayer. I hope this message will encourage every one of us. Hatag na ito og word of encouragement sa area sa mga pagampo. Di kita magbuhi kung wala ang mga pagampo. This week lang, we are under trials. Ang wife, pansya ka nang nagkasakit. Diarrhea, fever, and last week, I was attacked by fever and diarrhea. But we prayed to the Lord for complete healing, and God healed us completely. He is our miraculous God. If we call the name of the Lord, according to Prophet Jeremiah, call unto me. No? Just call upon God, and I will answer you. Dial lang sa Jeremiah 3 verse 3. Just dial the Lord, and He will answer you. Call the name of the Lord. So God bless everyone. I hope you got a message from our sharing this morning. Salamat kayo sa mga nagtanaw, nagasunod. Just follow and share to others para ma-inform ang mga gusto. Wala masayod sa mensahe nga atong gisgutan karon. So God bless. Shalom. God bless everyone.